First reading, Job chapter 9 verse 1 to 12, 14 to 16. Job spoke next. He said, "Indeed, I know it is as you say. How could anyone claim to be upright before God? Anyone trying to argue matters with him could not give him one answer in 1,000 among the wisest and the hardiest, who then can successfully defy him. He moves the mountains, though they do not know it. He throws them down when he is angry. He shakes the earth and moves it from its place, making all its pillars tremble. The sun, at his command, forbears to rise, and on the stars he sets a seal. He, and no other, has stretched out the heavens and trampled on the back of the sea. He has made the Bear and Orion, the Pleiades and the mansions of the south. The works he does are great and unfathomable, and his marvels cannot be counted. If he passes me, I do not see him. He slips by, imperceptible to me. If he snatches his prey, who is going to stop him or dare to ask, 'What are you doing?' And here am I, proposing to defend myself and select my arguments against him. Even if I am upright, what point is there in answering him? I can only plead for mercy with my judge, and if he deigned to answer my citation, I cannot believe he would listen to what I said." Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 88 verse 10 to 11, 12 to 13, 14 to 15. Do you work wonders for the dead? Can shadows rise up to praise you? Do they speak in the grave of your faithful love, of your constancy in the place of perdition? Are your wonders known in the darkness, your saving justice in the land of oblivion? But, for my part, I cry to you, Yahweh. Every morning my prayer comes before you. Why, Yahweh, do you rebuff me? Turn your face away from me, wretched and close to death. Since childhood, I have borne your terrors. I am finished. Gospel, Luke chapter 9 verse 57 to 62. As they traveled along, they met a man on the road who said to him, "I will follow you wherever you go." Jesus answered, "Foxes have holes and the birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head." Another, to whom he said, "Follow me," replied, "Let me go and bury my father first." But he answered, "Leave the dead to bury their dead. Your duty is to go and spread the news of the kingdom of God." Another said, "I will follow you, sir, but first let me go and say good-bye to my people at home." Jesus said to him, "Once the hand is laid on the plow, no one who looks back is fit for the kingdom of God."